so bright, fresh and clean.
What's up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel coming to you today. Y'all, it's been a minute since we've explored major ingredients that will do major things for the skin. So today, that's what I'm about, because my skin needed it so much. As I age and of course having menopausal skin, you will notice sometimes that you will get melasma, dark patches. And I too experienced that, and I have for a while now, but I am doing my very best to make sure I continue to use my sunscreen, take my vitamin D and my K2, trying to help to eliminate the problem as best I can. So today we have an amazing mask that's going to help to do some amazing things as well. If you're dealing with dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, visible pores, even blackheads, this mask is hydrating, it's clarifying, as well as cleansing. I love to do this one when I notice some major differences in my skin. It contains ingredients that's going to really combat all of those issues and more. Now, I know a lot of times dark patches, dark spots can come about due to certain medicines, of course our age, and of course the sun. But many of the unwanted darkened areas can definitely get reduced by this particular mask. Yes, acne spots, dark spots, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. The amazing thing about this mask is that it's going to help to revitalize your skin and inhibit the formation of more dark spots, and also help to fight emerging signs of aging like the sagging skin, lines, and wrinkles. We have to do our part to help combat those things, but I want to look as good as I can for my age. And I know I can't stop the aging process, but why not do what I can to help to slow the process down, or at least allow my skin not to look as aged as it could if I just left it alone. All of these ingredients we're about to use are natural ingredients, things that you have right around your home. Maybe one item or so you may not have, but I guarantee you it's easy to get to. So let me show you how to whip this up and tell you all of the amazing ingredients in this mask today. Before we get into that today, y'all, let me welcome all of our newcomers in. Hello, how are you doing? Go ahead and join our beautiful babe brigade over here. We love beauty, all things beauty, so you'll find it right here and so much more. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification, and let's get into today's video. So in today's mask, the first thing we're going to use is lemon. I'm taking in about a teaspoon or a little bit more of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which, guess what? That is what's going to help reduce those dark spots, sunspots, and correct pigmentations. Then I'm taking in some turmeric powder. About a pinch is what you'll need. Turmeric is very, very effective in fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now we're going to grab some honey. Get you a good quality honey that's going to be very effective in helping to moisturize and hydrate your skin. I will link this one down below, as well as all of the other ingredients in the description box for you. I'm putting in about a teaspoon of the honey. I'll be making use of kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is available right on Amazon. You can grab your bag that you can use over and over again. Kaolin clay is the ideal ingredient to draw out impurities and cleanse the pores. And the final ingredient, we'll be making use of vitamin E. Vitamin E works side by side with the vitamin C and helps the skin. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect your skin cells. It stops the skin from losing moisture, it protects the cells from damage, and it'll help to soften your skin as well. Let me go ahead and mix all of the ingredients. I did put in like 3 teaspoons of the kaolin clay into the mix, and let's just mix it up. Now this mixture is not quite as suitable for sensitive skin. Don't apply this to injured or even damaged skin. Always do a patch test when using any type of ingredients on your skin. This mask that's full of turmeric and vitamin C and kaolin clay, it'll help to restore your skin's radiance and glow. Also, it's going to nourish and hydrate your skin and clarify your skin, so it'll be clearer, radiant, smoother, and also help in giving you a more even skin tone. Now again, if you have oily combination skin, dry skin, or normal skin, this is suitable for all skin types. Again, do a patch test, and we can use this 2 to 3 times a week. That's for most skin types. Now you be the judge when it comes to your skin. There's no one size fits all in anything that we do over here, so make sure you know your skin. So easy to use. Start with a clean face. Just rinse your face with warm water and apply a small amount evenly onto your face, avoiding getting close to your eyes, and do not apply it to your lips. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. It's not necessarily going to dry completely because of the honey in there. It's going to remain a little sticky. But once you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, you're good to go ahead and remove it. And all you have to do is rinse your face with warm water. I don't apply a cleanser because I don't want to rinse away the goodness that I've just put on my skin. I just want to rinse off the residue and leave the rest. And after I do that, I simply apply a moisturizer afterwards. If you're looking to get your glow back, if you're looking to even out your skin tone, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, clearing out those blackheads, this mask is for you. If you check out the skin, look at it closely, you will definitely be impressed as well with your skin. Try it today, let me know how you love it, and hit me back right here in the comments and let me know. If you don't have all of the ingredients, use what you have. Each one of the ingredients individually have some amazing skin benefits, and when you combine them, they are super powerful and amazing as well. Thanks, beautiful babes, for stopping by. I appreciate you every single time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure, be a friend, go ahead and subscribe, join the Beautiful Babe Brigade, turn on your notifications so that when I upload, you'll be in the know each and every time. Even if you can't use the treatment, I'm sure you can do me one more favor. Let your friends and family know where you're hanging out at. Simply share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye now.